Nothing is technically wrong, but somehow you feel less confident than you did 10 years ago, and it is messing with your head. If confidence feels harder in midlife, especially after 40 plus years, this conversation is for you. I'm Michelle, and I work with midlife women who are capable, responsible, and very good at holding life together, usually for everyone else. And something I hear all the time is this question. I used to trust myself. I used to feel more sure. What happened to me? For a long time, I thought confidence just faded because we were tired or out of practice or not trying hard enough. But that's not what actually is happening. In this video, I want to walk you through why so many women experience a shift in confidence in midlife and why this isn't a flaw or a failure by any means. It is a response to real changes. And once you understand that, everything makes more sense. Most women don't lose confidence in midlife. They lose connection to themselves. And it doesn't happen suddenly or dramatically. It happens slowly, quietly, while being the dependable one, the needed and strong one for a very long time. And one reason that women lose confidence in midlife is that our confidence is built on self-trust. And self-trust erodes when you override yourself. For many years, women in our generation, we learned to put everyone else's needs first, push through the discomfort, stay functional no matter what. And that works until it doesn't. Confidence starts to feel shaky, not because you're incapable, but because you've been making decisions around yourself instead of with yourself for so long. And if this is you, one thing you can realize is that confidence doesn't require a full reset. It starts returning the moment that you pause and ask, what do I need right now? Even noticing yourself again is a step towards rebuilding self-trust. Another reason so many women lose confidence in midlife is this season brings role changes that no one prepared you for. Your kids grow up, the family dynamics shift, friendships change, your body asks for different support, and suddenly the roles that reflected who you were back to you, they start to change and loosen. And that can leave a woman wondering, who am I now? This is not an identity loss. It's an identity transition, and it requires care, not criticism. You don't have to have all the answers right now. This season is asking you to define yourself. It's inviting you to listen to who you're becoming. Curiosity is so much more supportive here than clarity. And finally, confidence doesn't come back through hard pressure and discipline. It comes back through small self-trust repairs. Confidence doesn't rebuild through pushing harder. It rebuilds when you listen instead of override. So keep small promises to yourself. Include yourself in your own life again. That's how self-trust returns. And your confidence will grow from that. This means you don't need motivation or discipline to begin. You only need one small place where you choose yourself, and let that be enough for today. So if confidence feels different right now for you in this season, it doesn't mean something is wrong. It means you've been overriding yourself for a long time. Your roles have probably shifted in your life, and your inner world is asking for space to catch up. What can you do now? Confidence doesn't come back all at once. You didn't lose it all at once. It returns quietly through listening to yourself, self-inclusion, small moments of trust. And that makes sense so that you can put yourself back on your to-do list, follow through, start building trust in yourself, and gain confidence one simple stride at a time. If you want gentle support to navigate you through this season, I share a weekly note called the Simple Strides Snapshot. It's a newsletter for midlife women. One reflection, one affirmation, a week of simple strides, free resources delivered weekly. You'll find the link below if you'd like to stay connected. Next week, we're continuing this conversation. I'll be talking about the quiet ways midlife teaches women to doubt themselves and how to start undoing that doubt gently without pressure or trying to fix everything at once. I'll see you there. And just remember, gorgeous, you're not behind, you're not failing, you're in a transition, and you're allowed to move through it slowly.